Hey guys, in this video I've got a Muslogy Auto door storage solution, a little pocket that drops into the door handle that lets you put your cell phone, your keys, whatever you need in there. And I've also got a glove box storage divider that allows you to separate up the areas in the glove box. Come check it out with me.
A big thank you to Muslogy Auto for providing the products that are in this video. These door storage pockets are made of plastic and they fit perfectly into the opening for the door handle on the Bronco. And they also have little rubber inserts as well to protect whatever you put into the door pocket. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to just slide them into the opening. They have a little piece of padded foam on there to make sure that they're not going to rattle while they're in place. And here's the rubber insert that just helps protect anything you put in there. It's laser cut and it fits perfectly inside that slot. And as you can see, it's self-contained, so nothing's going to fall out of the bottom. So you can put your keys in there, your phone, whatever you need, without the fear of it falling through. And it's simply the same process for the other three doors. You just slide the insert into the opening, press it down, and you're good to go. And of course, don't forget the little rubber protective mat that slides in there too. And just for reference, this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. And it fits sideways, lengthways, doesn't matter, and it just won't fall out. And this is the Muslogy Auto Glove Box Divider. It's a storage solution that just slides into the glove box. All you have to do is snap it together. 3 plastic pieces, push in, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Really easy. I'll put a link to these and all the other Muslogy Auto products that I've tested in the description below. And then all you have to do is open the glove box and slide it in. This splits the glove box up into 5 convenient areas. So there you go, another quick and easy install, another fantastic Muslogy Auto product. Those drop-in door pocket holders, you can get your cell phone in there, your keys, and no risk of it coming out the bottom. They are actually storage buckets, so they're not going to fall off like some of the other things on the market which you just stick on the bottom. Of the glove box storage, you can just divide your glove box into little portions, so you can put your instruction manual or a cloth or gum or whatever you need in those little slots. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for your chance to win a Muslogy Auto trunk mat that's going on in our giveaway right now. Till next time.